Oh, hey, hello there, and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen. And what do we got here? Well, goes great with barbecues is a dip, and this dip, well, I call this pulled pork and cheddar dip. And it's got pulled pork, it's got cheddar, it's got green onions. Oh, it's just fantastic. And the nice thing is, it's one of those things you can make without any cooking. Get the pulled pork, get some roast pork or whatever, shred it apart. Just mix everything together in one bowl and away you go. You're done. Just throw it and chill it for a while. And then serve it up with your barbecue. Well, it's pretty good, so let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. To make our dip, well, we've got these ingredients right here. Let me go across the front. Let me go over them across the front. What we've got here, well, I've got a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Over here, 1 green onion, finely sliced crossways, 3 cloves of garlic crushed. Then across here, well, this over here is cheddar cheese, and that is about 3 ounces of cheddar cheese, 3 ounces or 85 grams. Then here, pulled pork or shredded roast pork. We don't really have pulled pork here in Japan. I just got some nice roast pork and shredded up with a pair of forks. And that is 6 ounces or 170 grams. Then over here, we've got 8 ounces or 230 grams of cream cheese, and that's been left out at room temperature. And in this heat, well, that's quite soft right now. And then I've got here is 1/2 cup of sour cream. So first thing we're gonna do, you grab a big bowl, and I'm gonna throw the cream cheese in there. Let's get all that in there. All right, that came out easier than I thought it would. All right. The cream cheese in there, and to that I'm going to add the sour cream. Okay, that's good to go. All right, and then just cream those two together first. So like I say, this is quite warm in here today, so it's going to be really easy. On a colder day, this might take a bit more elbow grease to cream those two together, but this is going super easy. There we go. Now, just gonna add everything except for the pork, the cheese, and the green onions. So in goes the mustard. The mustard, yeah, that's really mustard. In goes the mayo. Mustard afterwards. Well, they can all go in together, so it doesn't really matter what order. Just gonna throw all these ingredients in there. So that's the mayo going in. And the mustard. The garlic. And the salt and pepper. All right. Yeah. What do I do now? Just cream that all together. Just gonna combine it well until we got all these mixed in together. I say, on a warm day like this, pretty easy to do. Winter, yeah, it's gonna take a bit more work. But hey, this is a great summer recipe. Help with your barbecue. All right, that's looking pretty good. So now, everything else goes in. In goes the green onions. In goes the cheese. I guess I should have pointed out the cheese. So when I grated it, I wanted shorter pieces. I don't want long strands of it. So I cut my cheese into smaller pieces and then grated it. There we go. That goes in. And in goes the pork. Oh, that's looking nice. I had some of that earlier, but quite delicious. And then we just mix it all together. Okay, now once everything's nicely distributed throughout, I'm going to take it, put it in a nice bowl. I don't want to serve it up in this thing. So, and just smooth that down a little bit. Now, I'm going to cover that. And since it's sitting a little high, I'll just have to put an inverted bowl over it. Put that in the refrigerator and chill that down. And then later on, it's dipping time. Well, that's pretty good. Already. All right. If you like this recipe, want to make some dip? Well, get going on that one. Also, check out all the other original Kevin, can't even say my own name, Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. In fact, there are a couple more dips on here and many other great little summer recipes. So go check that out. Make sure you're subscribed and that you've clicked that notification bell. If this is your first time here, you want to make sure that you're going to see more coming up when I put them out every week. All right, now go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.